Hey, it's Mike. In this video, I want to talk about how to get monetized on YouTube in 2020. So there's a couple criteria that you need to hit on your YouTube channel in order to get monetized. So first thing is you need to have 1,000 subscribers. Second thing is you need 4,000 publicly watched hours of content on your page. Those are the first two parameters to get monetized. Then after that, of course, you need to follow all of the YouTube monetization policies. Essentially, that is that you have some sort of main theme to your videos. They review your most viewed videos, newest videos. They also check your watch time. And of course, you also have to follow all the standard YouTube community guidelines. So no scams, deceptive practices, no sexual content, has to file the child safety precautions, harmful, dangerous content, hate speech, and harassment or cyberbullying. So as long as you fit all of the correct criteria, you can then monetize your channel. Now, of course, it takes a little bit to get there. So I'm just starting this. So if you're following me and following my journey, then I definitely need you to subscribe, because you are one subscriber on the way to 1,000. My goal is to have 1,000 subscribers by July. So today is May 7th, and the goal is by July 1st to have at least 1,000 subscribers, to be at least at that point to getting monetized. And we'll continue from there and see how it goes. And hopefully someday in the near future, maybe by the end of the year, we'll hit the goal of 100,000 subscribers. But first way to get monetized, 1,000 subscribers. So let's at least get there, and see you in the next one.